Okay, Molly, so today we are going to fill in a phonics ladder. I want you to listen closely to my directions, okay? Okay, Molly, I want you to point to that first picture on the ladder on the top. Okay, I want you to write the 4-letter word that matches this picture on the first line. So what is that a picture of?
A cape.
A cape. So can you write lowercase letters, cape? Good, and now can you spell it?
C-A-P-E.
Very good. Okay, Molly, can you point to the second picture? Okay, on that one, what I want you to do is change 3 letters to match the picture on the next line. Okay, what word did you write?
Dove.
Very good, spell it.
D-O-V-E.
All right, point to the next picture. I want you to change 2 letters to match the picture on the next line.
All right.
Okay, what word did you write?
5.
And go ahead and spell it.
F-I-V-E.
All right, point to the next picture. I want you to change 3 letters to match the picture on the next line.
All right.
Okay, what word did you write?
Race.
And can you spell it?
R-A-C-E.
Good. Let's go ahead and point to the next picture. For this one, all I want you to do is change 1 letter to match the picture on the next line.
All right.
Okay, what word did you write?
Rice.
And spell it for me.
R-I-C-E.
All right, last one. Point to the last picture. This time I want you to change 3 letters to match the picture on that last line. Okay. Go ahead. And what word did you write?
Tube.
And spell it.
T-U-B-E.